Welcome to Chandler. Today we're out at SB Park, checking out all the things to do.
All right, sitting down here at the Perch, one of my favorite places down in Chandler. It's got craft food, craft beer, amazing burgers. One of my favorite places to come down here because I can come down with my kids, I can come down by myself, and come down and have a little adult time with beverages upstairs, live music. It's the place I go to the most, absolutely.
When I think of Chandler, I think of its great public schools. I mean, there's public and private. I mean, as far as the private schools, you have Great Hearts Archway, you have Chandler Traditional Academy, Basis in Chandler.
Today we're here across the street from Kyrene de Las Brisas, where my kids go to school. Kyrene School District is one of the best in the state, and Brisas has amazing programs. I was one of the co-chair people on the readathon, and we raised over $40,000 for our school. Across the street is Desert Breeze Park. There's a pond with ducks to feed. There's baseball fields and soccer fields in the back. Everyone goes on the train. This is great subdivisions. You've got Wild Tree, Carrillo Ranch, hot selling areas, and this is Corona del Sol's high school district, which people want to move just to go to that high school. It's a phenomenal high school.
So when ex-NFL star Donovan McNabb wanted to find a place in the Southeast Valley, he chose Ocotillo, just a gorgeous place, a quiet subdivision. The other neighborhoods nearby are like Ray Ranch, which were developed in the 1990s, and then in the early 2000s we started expanding the South Chandler for Cooper Commons. And now we see places like Fulton Ranch adding new sections. And who can forget, although it's a small town, Sun Lakes, right? The 55 and older community, it's its own individual town and basically just a great place to live. 90% of the homes are less than 500,000, while we're next door to such an industrial megaplex. Companies like Intel, Infusionsoft, also the largest private company in Arizona, Bashas', has a home down here. It's hard to think that you're in the middle of the city when you're out at Ocotillo Golf Club. I mean, to think that they used to raise ostriches just over the housing behind me is crazy, but when I think of Ocotillo Golf Club, I think of the John Hall Classic charity event that we used to hold here.
His balls are still in the lake.
I was donating the balls, okay? So if you're looking to get out of your last Chandler home, or if you're looking to get into your new Chandler home, please visit sibbach.com.